Finally can go back and cook my iron. What? Hi, Feburary here, and I have a video about a new type of bud switch. But basically it's silent, as it only uses rails. Rails have a limit of 9 blocks before it stops being powered. 8 blocks, as you can see. Now if you place another torch right here, this should be powered, but it isn't. So if you had a rail going down and an activator rail on it, you could leave a cart right here and nothing will happen. But as soon as you place a block, it bangs and it causes output. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please rate, comment, or subscribe.